CBS This Morning is here in Las Vegas this morning. As you see there, LILIA Luciano is live on the Las Vegas Strip this morning. LILIA, good morning to you. You got a first-hand look at some of the efforts by federal officials here in the Valley to try and get the vaccine to more of the public. Good morning to you. What did you see?
Good morning, John. Well, yesterday we spent some time with Governor Sisolak and with the Health and Human Services Secretary Javier Becerra as they deployed the first of what's called a COVID surge response team. This is a multi-agency effort that shows up in states at the request of the governor to deal with case surges, with access to vaccination. Specifically here in Vegas, as you know, Vegas has the highest positivity rate in the nation and a low vaccination rate. Some of that is people who are hesitant to get the vaccine because of lack of information or confidence and also lack of access. So what they're doing is deploying these teams to go door to door, talk to people, make them feel more comfortable with the science, with the information of the value of the vaccine, and also provide access through local partnerships and local groups that are working hard to curb the spread of COVID.
It's been an ongoing effort to try and get here in Las Vegas, some parts of our community more comfortable with getting the vaccine. What did you see in terms of just trying to get them comfortable? How do you convince folks that maybe are hard to convince to get that medicine?
Something that they say is working well is that partnership with community liaisons, with people who are already part of the community, who are trusted. We met a man yesterday whose name is Jefferson. He's already working in this community, talking to people, providing them access to health care and whatever information they need. And so once he knows the people, once he has that kind of access in the community, then people kind of trust him better and they can listen more to the science, to the information that's provided. So it's not, just the federal agencies showing up, door knocking, but actually working within the community and those community groups that are already doing the outreach and already doing the efforts. But of course, with added support, resources, workforce. We also, coming up in our story on CBS This Morning, got to talk and got a rare inside look here at one of the MGM properties at the Aria Hotel and Casino to understand what they're doing, not just to keep their employees safe by offering vaccine clinics and testing, but also to protect visitors and people who go to their resorts in terms of the technologies that they use to clean up the air and things like that.
Yeah, LILIA, we just saw some video there of you walking around some of the resorts here on the Strip as well. It's not just getting the community comfortable with vaccinations, it's the tourists, it's the folks on the Strip as well. LILIA, thank you very much for joining us this morning. We will see you at 7 o'clock later here on CBS This Morning here on Channel 8. Appreciate your time.